I'll be sure to stay clear.
I don't want to have the magic smoke come out of this motor. I used to have one of those that used to, it would pulse the motor with like thrust vectoring.
Yeah, is this the...
About 10 years ago. It didn't have any control surfaces.
Oh yeah, one of those, yeah.
Monogram or
Yep.
something. Yeah.
This is a cool little plane. If you don't have one, you should get one.
I see them all the time for sale.
This is one you don't see for sale.
Oh.
This isn't the E-Flight.
Oh, okay.
The E-Flight is a dog to fly.
Oh, really? Who makes this one?
This is Easy Sky
Okay.
or E-Sky.
Yeah, they make the helicopter.
Yeah. FMS sells them now,
Okay.
but they bind directly to a DSM-2 radio.
Okay.
They've
Time
got
remaining 4 minutes.
thrust vectoring for rudder. It's a full-on 4-channel plane.
Yeah.
It's got a gyro built in. Just really cool.
Yeah, that's what I did, Ray. I flared and I probably stalled it.
Yep, it's almost. You can't flare the plane. You got to wait till it hits the ground and slows down a little bit, then pull up.
Now the wind's blowing at my back.
Yeah, it's still crossed though. You're okay from the left.
From the left?
Yeah, the way we've been landing, you're okay. It's just crossed a little bit. You'll be okay though.
Time remaining.
The same way we've been landing all morning, from the left, not from the right.
It's coming in from the right.
You're going to be downwind though. That's a problem. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna attempt to land it.
Yeah, it won't be bad. I'm using my little B-17 as a weather vane. Yeah, it's mostly the right way. You're good. You're good. I'm clear too. Don't worry about me.
Go around.
There you go. That's perfect right there.
So my instinct, I flared that time too, even though I told myself just
Time
let it
remaining
settle.
2
Mhm.
I
minutes.
held on the elevator.
And it'll bite you if you're not careful.
Wow. And it gets the heart pounding because that's the beauty of the sport. Back to back. So I've been lucky that it hasn't flipped on its nose.
Yeah, because then you break those blades and you're screwed.
Sure enough, land.
Yeah, you want it to, because if you slow it down, then it could tip. You could stall. You know.
I like it out
Time
there.
remaining 1
It's
minute.
like you have a grass field.
Yep.
Alright, no repairs. Ray fixed it all.
Is it done?
I may have to rebind it with the gear down because it gets one to cycle.
Oh.
Yeah. One of those things you learn.
30
Fail safe.
seconds.
Yes, exactly.
Well, why is it fail safing?
Because I found it with the gear up.
But why? But fails. Oh, when you turn the radio off.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so fail safe, so the gear goes up. I got it.
Yeah. Hey, you have yours out there.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Oh man, I hope that cell comes back. We'll see what happens, because this thing is ice cold.
Yeah, those are good packs.
They all have this problem. I mean, they didn't make it either. They just distribute them.
Yeah. They stand behind them though.
It does barrel roll?
It does everything, dude. That's what I've been trying to tell you. This is not your everyday B-17.
That tiny little 800 tooth cell?
It's one cell.
One cell?
950 one cell.
1 minute over.
Carrier action?
No. Yeah, it's. You should see what we do. We have like 7 or 8 of these all at once. They'll bump into each other. They'll have a little mid-airs and crash, and all we do is pick them up and keep flying.
Cost for crowd, and then you do it with the full-size ones too. I have one.
Yeah, the big guys. We'll do that with the big guys too. We won't bump into each other then, but
mine's sitting lonely in its shed. It's been there for a year.
I have FPV I'm going to put on this one too.
Man, those motors crank out.
Yeah, it does this for like 15 minutes too.
It has control surfaces?
Yeah.
15 minutes?
See?
What the?
You used to be able to buy them at Hobby King. They don't sell them anymore.
These guys. And they bind to a
2 minutes
DS.
over.
DSM-2.
Look at that. Does it come with a pack?
It comes with a pack, but it's small. These are from Hobby King. These are like $5-6 each.
One cell 900?
$9.50.
Graphene?
Yep.
Wow. And you only need one pack, huh?
That's it.
Amazing.
And it flies in wind that grounds a lot of other planes.
And since it's splitting the load across 4, the little brushed motors, they don't burn up.
No, they don't know. It's hardly anything.
Especially with the low voltage, yeah. What the?
Crazy little plane.
I don't even see the wing flex.
There isn't any. There's no weight. It weighs a couple ounces. So there's a little bit of wind.
Yeah, does it take some getting used to though?
No.
Over.
That flies like a trainer.
We'll put another battery in it and you fly it.
Look at that. Wow. Impressive. And you could just throw it on the seat.
Yep.
Perfect for tiny field.
Normally it has gear, but I broke it, so I just check it.
Yeah, it used to get warm.
Yeah, it is.
It's gonna rain around 6 o'clock.
That's what they say,
You
so
can see the clouds coming.
yeah, so I'm getting my flying in early. That's it. I'll let you fly it. Next battery is yours.